Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are gonna make orange flavored biscuits. It's really easy to make with simple ingredients and has a delicious taste. So let's get started. For the ingredients we'll need 1½ cup flour, ½ cup icing sugar, ½ cup mixture of butter and vegetable oil, 1 whole egg, 1 teaspoon orange zest, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon vanilla, and the ingredients will be in the description box down below. Now in a medium sized bowl, pour the mixture of butter and oil. Now add your confectioner sugar and mix together very well for about 3 to 4 minutes. Using a spatula, let me scrape down the sides. Just keep mixing until everything combines well. Alright, now add the whole egg and mix again for a few more minutes. Just keep mixing until combines. While mixing, add the vanilla. Continue mixing. Now add the orange zest. Let me clean it with spatula. There. And mix again for a few more minutes or until the mixture gets the flavor of orange. There we go. Now add the half of the flour. There. Mix it a little. Now add the baking powder and start mixing until everything combines. And don't forget, keep scraping down the sides. There we go. Now let me remove the electric hand mixer and add the rest of the flour and mix it using a spatula. Now clean the spatula and start kneading using your hands until forms a dough. Here it is, our dough is ready and it must be soft and fluffy dough. Let me keep that aside, and here we need a tray lined with parchment paper. And we are gonna need a tablespoon to measure. So fill the tablespoon with the dough. Remove it and roll it in your palm to make it round. Just like that. And place it on the tray. Let me make and show you once more. Just like that. We will need 1 tablespoon. Let me remove the excess. There we go. Now remove it and roll it in your palm until it gets round. Like that. And place it on the tray. Now do the same with the rest of the dough. Here they are all done and I got 21 pieces. Now here to decorate, I'm using an egg slicer, this part. So take one, roll it once more in your palm and place it in the center of the egg slicer. And slightly press it using your finger so that the dough must get the shape on it. Just like that. And remove it. This is what we will get. Now again place it on the egg slicer but from the other side. So we should get lines that are crossing each other. Just like this. This is what we should get. Now place that back on the tray. Let me show you one more. Again take one, roll it in your palm. Just like that, press it slightly and remove it. and keep it from the other side. Press it slightly and remove it again. Looking perfect. And place it on the tray. Now do the same with the rest of the dough. And here they are all done. This is how they must look. Now let's keep it in the oven at 130 to 140 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Until that, let's watch today's healthy tips, then the video will be continued after that. Pumpkins are highly nutritious and particularly rich vitamin A. High antioxidant content may reduce your risk of chronic disease. Pumpkins pack vitamins that may boost immunity. Its nutrient density and low calorie count may promote weight loss. Vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin may protect your eyesight. And voila, here they are right out of the oven. Now let me transfer them into a plate. Then I will show you its final result. There we go. And this is the last result. Let me take one and show you how it's been done. As you can see, it has baked and looks great from outside, and underneath of it has baked very well. Now let me break and show you its inner part. And as you can see, it's looking perfect and even tastes so yummy. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed watching it, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and ring the bell to get notified when I post my new video, which is going to be freshly homemade fried chicken. If you don't want to miss it, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified when I post my new video. Now bye and see you in my next video.